Medical documents surfaced online that claimed Andrew Tate is suffering from lung cancer. Now, his manager is speaking out about the rumored prognosis. Medical documents claim Tate has lesion on lung. Controversial internet commentator Andrew Tate is currently being detained by Romanian authorities on charges of human trafficking, rape, and organized crime. The former kickboxer launched into the limelight last year and received ample criticism for his views on women. Now, he sits in prison amid an ongoing investigation into the charges against him. Despite pleading for release, Tate's request was recently denied for a fourth time, and a recent health diagnosis is only adding further fuel to the fire. The documents also included a letter from Tate's GP at the UAE's King's College Hospital, who pleaded for Tate to return to the country in order to receive treatment. "It is my professional medical recommendation that Andrew is urgently repatriated to the United Arab Emirates to undergo these medical investigations without delay," the letter reads. "Time is of the essence, and any further delay in the above investigations may have a serious negative implication for Andrew's physical health." Aiden Ross reacts to claims Andrew Tate has cancer. "They are trying to end him. See below for documentation. We hope he regains his health as soon as possible. My best idol in this life."